Have you ever wondered how a robot learns to do its tasks? The answer lies in the realm of artificial intelligence. AI is the brain behind the machine, the driving force that enables robots to process information, make decisions, and perform intricate tasks. It's as if these machines have minds of their own. The role of AI in shaping the field of robotics has been transformative, leading to advancements that were once the stuff of science fiction. The journey of AI and robotics is nothing short of a technological marvel. To truly appreciate the advancements in AI, one must travel back in time. Imagine, if you will, the year 1956. The term artificial intelligence was coined at a conference at Dartmouth College. This was a time when the potential of AI was a topic of academic curiosity rather than a reality. Fast forward to the 1970s, when the concept of AI started to be integrated into robotics. The first learning robots made their debut. These early machines were capable of simple tasks, such as moving objects from one place to another. But they were the beginning of something much bigger. Then came the 1980s, often referred to as the AI winter. This period saw a decrease in interest and funding in AI research due to high expectations not being met. But like any winter, it was followed by a thaw. In the 1990s, the resurgence of AI began. Machine learning, a subset of AI that allows computers to learn from data, started to gain traction. This enabled robots to perform more complex tasks and adapt to new situations. At the turn of the 21st century, AI technologies exploded. The internet had become a vast, rich source of data, and this fueled the rise of deep learning. Deep learning, another subset of AI, uses artificial neural networks to mimic the human brain's own learning process. This has been a game changer for robotics, allowing machines to recognize patterns, interpret images, and even understand natural language. Today, AI is not just a component of robotics. It's the driving force behind it. Robots are now capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. They can diagnose diseases, drive cars, and even write music. And yet, we're still at the beginning of this journey. The potential of AI and robotics is only just being realized. There are still many challenges to overcome and discoveries to be made. It's been a long journey, filled with trials, tribulations, and triumphs, and it's far from over. The advancements in AI have not just changed robotics, they have redefined it. This transformative power of artificial intelligence is evident in the way robots are now able to learn from their environments. No longer are they programmed with a fixed set of instructions. Instead, they're trained with algorithms that allow them to make sense of the world around them, adapt to changes, and even make decisions. This learning ability has opened up new possibilities for complex tasks that were once thought beyond the reach of robotics. Take manufacturing, for instance. Robots are now capable of intricate assembly tasks, working side by side with humans, and increasing efficiency while reducing errors. In healthcare, AI-empowered robots are performing roles from assisting in surgeries to providing patient care. They're able to analyze vast amounts of data, predict outcomes, and help doctors make more informed decisions. This is not only improving patient outcomes, but also revolutionizing how healthcare is delivered. The logistics industry, too, has seen a dramatic transformation. AI-powered robots are streamlining warehouse operations, improving inventory management, and even delivering packages. They're enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and speed, all while reducing the pressure on human workers. But this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the capabilities of robots. Artificial intelligence has turned what were once simple tools into intelligent machines. AI has turned robots from simple tools into intelligent machines. If the past and present of AI and robotics are fascinating, the future is even more so. We're advancing towards a world where the integration of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things will revolutionize our everyday lives. Imagine your home's robotic assistant not just responding to your commands, but proactively making your life easier, learning from your patterns, and even predicting your needs. The rise of autonomous robots is another frontier, with potential applications ranging from self-driving cars to unmanned drones performing complex tasks. These robots will be capable of making decisions in real time, based on vast amounts of data processed in the blink of an eye. But as we forge ahead, ethical considerations surrounding AI become increasingly important. How do we ensure that these autonomous systems make ethical decisions? How do we maintain human control and accountability? As we stand on the brink of this exciting future, one thing is certain: the journey of AI and robotics is just beginning.